Hello everyone, this is a side dish which we are going to prepare today with green leaf vegetables and eggs. This is a wonderful dish for the people who enjoy non-veg as well as vegetables. So this is how we are going to do, as you saw all the ingredients in it, and this will be very tasty for your chapatis, for parotas, for anything, for puris, for dosa, for rice, for any sambar rice or any rice. This side dish will be very tasty. This is a very tasty side dish which you can eat. And I like using the green leafy vegetables in the cooking, and this I want to tell you, this is a new method of making the people consume the green vegetables, because in some families, the family members, some of them may not like cooking vegetables at home because they are so used with non-veg. So this is a very nice dish which you can make with eggs and amaranthus. Today I've used amaranthus. You can use any green leafy vegetables, and this is very tasty, and even the children will enjoy eating it, and even your family will relish. And without the family's knowledge, you will be giving the family a very good and healthy meal, because the more vegetables you consume, the more fresh and tender your skin, your complexion will grow. So as a homemaker, I hope you will find more ways to make your family eat the right and healthy food. So shall we go to the video? Welcome to Homemaker's Choice. Today we are going to make some special dish for vegetarians and non-vegetarians. We eat both. So this is what we are going to do. I'll show you. These are the green vegetables what we need to make. And I've taken 3 eggs. How many ever eggs you want you can take. And tomatoes I've taken 3. Onions also 3. I've taken some ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, and salt, and some jeera. So these are the items we need to make, and also some cooking oil. This is the oil what I take. Any oil you can use for your cooking, and this is what we are going to make today. For starting the preparation, we'll chop the green vegetables finely, onions also finely, tomatoes finely. Now let's chop the onions finely. Now the green leafy vegetables are chopped finely. Tomatoes are also chopped finely, and even the onions, and all these items are ready to cook now. Now shall we start our preparation? Now light the stove and light the stove and place a vessel on top. And to this we can add some oil. I think there's some water still. Water is getting splattered. Add little extra oil because we are going to fry the eggs, and the eggs will consume lot of oil. Now the oil is getting heated, and to this you add some jeera. I'm adding 1 spoon of jeera, and along with that I'm adding these onions. fry nicely. Before the onion gets roasted, when it settles in oil, add the ginger garlic paste. And roast along with the onion. And this cooking we are doing with less spice, without much spice in it, and this will be very tasty. Now when the onions are cooked to this consistency, this is enough, no need of roasting it too much. When it is half cooked, when it is colors turning into slightly brown, you can add your tomatoes. Allow the tomatoes to cook a little bit. Tomatoes are cooked. Now you can break the eggs and add to it. Now the eggs are added. You can just mix everything together. Now to this you can add your salt. Add some turmeric. Add some chili powder. How much ever you want, you can add to it. Now keep mixing it nicely. Keep mixing until the egg becomes scrambled nicely. We have to cook a little more. Now this is cooked until this consistency. Now to this we will add all the greens what we have chopped. I'll show you. We will add all these greens to it now, little by little. And let it go on low heat because there is no water content in it. So we'll spread it out like this. Don't worry if the vessel is full, because the greens, when it is cooked, the quantity will reduce to quarter the amount of it. Cover it and cook. If you feel it's too dry, you can pour little water in it. Pour little water and cover it with the lid and allow it to cook for a few minutes. Now we'll see the water is reduced a little bit. Almost done. We will mix everything together now. Can you see to what quantity the green leaves have reduced? It's become very less. When we added, the vessel was full of it. And now when it's cooked, it's reduced. You can mix it nicely, and this will be a very tasty side dish for anything you can eat. There is slightly moisture in it. We will allow this to cook with the lid open. Now this tasty side dish is ready and ready to be served. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.